In this video, we introduce our work Impact of Onset Position of Lay Casting in Virtual Reality. Hi, I'm Jae-Yeop from Seoul in South Korea. Lay casting is an efficient technique enabling interaction with objects at a distance in virtual reality. It can be utilized to perform key street interaction metaphors such as object transition, rotation, and scaling, even if they are far from the user. For this purpose, the initial step and crucial step is the precise identification and design of the target object, referred to as target selection. There are several studies that have identified factors that affect user performance when using lay. For example, users preferred the lay when it had an infinite length of visible lays, but performed better when you spine it. There was also a significant difference in the user's performance in selecting targets based on the grip style of holding the controller. As we have seen, there has been a lot of research done using lay casting, but there's one key parameter that no one has considered. It is the onset position of lay casting. As shown in the figure, the endpoint of a lay is determined by the starting position and orientation of the lay. Therefore, different starting positions of the lay will result in different endpoints. This means that if a user wants to select a lead sphere in a VR application using a blue or brown lay onset position, the user will definitely need to make an additional hand movement. To investigate impact of onset position of lay casting, in this study, we conducted target selection tasks with different onset positions. We have 9 onset positions along its X and Y axis in controller space. Participants perform target selection tasks using different onset positions with different target width and distance based on pistolling task. So, in our experiment, did we find any performance differences based on onset position? The answer is yes. We found performance differences in different onset positions within each participant. We identified several significant performance differences and also found positions that yielded optimal performance for each participant. So, is there an optimal onset position for everyone? The answer is no. We did not find a generalized optimal onset position. This implies that variations in performances among different participants led to a cancellation of the effect associated with different onset position, making it challenging to identify any distinct pattern. Our findings suggest using a customized approach that considers the unique preference and responses of users when applying lay casting in real-world settings or future studies. This view could make interactive lay casting systems more user-friendly and effective by focusing on individual needs instead of a general solution. In future work, we should find the best onset position for each individual. For more and more details, please refer to our paper. Moreover, let's share a lot of details in the Kai poster session. Thank you for watching.